Hi everyone and welcome to the Unique Repeat channel. I think many of you are interested in the topic of sports and many of you are following the 2022 World Cup, which will begin soon, which means that you have a great opportunity to make money. The fact is that almost any sport is associated with betting, but at the same time the traditional method of betting, which includes dealers and staff, has many disadvantages. Basically we rely on the dealer even if he is not trustworthy. I found a way to fix this problem with the HASH.SC application, which will allow you to bet honestly and safely. In this video we will talk about the features and benefits of the project and much more, so let's get started. In order to study this platform in more detail, I suggest installing the official mobile application. HASH.SC is a special program designed specifically for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Let's register on the platform to try out all its features for yourself. To register on the platform, enter your email address or phone number, verification code, and create and confirm a strong password. After that, agree to the terms of use and confirm the registration. Previously, I have already registered on this platform, and now I just have to log in to my account. By the way, after registration, each of you will receive a welcome bonus of 5 USD if you enter my invitation code. HASH.SC has a number of advantages that you should pay attention to. For example, this application allows you to place bets without using the services of a bookmaker and receive winnings instantly. This application uses the handicap method, which means that an advantage is given to the weaker player in order to equalize the chances of winning. Moreover, at any time you can make sure that you are not being deceived. In this application, you can use currencies such as USDT and USDC, and at the same time make a deposit and withdraw money for personal use at any time of the day. If you have any difficulties using the application, you can always contact the support service, which will answer you within a minute. This is one of the most important benefits in the operation of any application, right? In order to contact a specialist, go to the appropriate section and select the social network that suits you. You can contact the operator via Telegram, WhatsApp, or by sending an email. HASH.SC offers quite an interesting referral system. You can refer new users using a referral code and still get a $10 bonus to use in the app. In addition, you will earn commissions from direct referrals. When your friends sign up with your invite code, you will earn a 1% commission every time they place a bet, whether they win or lose. The section with hash games deserves special attention. Hash games are considered fair games, the outcome of which doesn't depend on bets or other factors. By the way, if someone can find errors in the hash game, they will receive a reward of $1 million. Let's take a closer look at all the functions of HASH.SC. Here each of you can take part in the Super Jackpot World Cup. In the fight for the cup you can win $60,000. If you are serious about winning, you may need to bet at least 1,000 USDC or USDT more than 20 times. Have a win rate of at least 55% and still not receive a bonus with a win rate of at least 55%. This bonus is available exclusively for individual bets, that is, team bets do not count. Another feature of the app is the Edge in the game, where you can never lose everything. To participate in the game, you need to apply for an upgrade or complete a challenge. To become eligible for Edge in Play, you need to contact support to upgrade to version 5. After reaching this level, you will receive a commission of 35% of the lost bets of your friend who you invited to register. To further interact with HASH.SC, you will need a Binance or KuCoin account. To create an account, you will need to complete a standard registration using a phone number or email address, as well as pay KYC to gain access to all the functions of the platform. After that, you can move on to buying or selling cryptocurrency via P2P. Select the currency you will be using, the token you are going to purchase, and a suitable trader. After that, select the payment method and complete the transaction by following the instructions in the app. You can now deposit on the HASH.SC platform. To do this, find the deposit section, copy the wallet address or scan the QR code, and confirm the transaction. Now we can move on to the most interesting part of the application, namely the games. On this platform, 2 games with bets are available to us, Hash Minute and Hash Mark 6. You can play the first game every 2 minutes. You can choose a bet from $2,000 to $5,000, then select the necessary parameters with different odds. For example, number letters with a factor of 3.6, number with a factor of 2.2, and so on. Select the appropriate option and confirm your bid. After that, wait 2 minutes to find out the results of winning or losing. You can view the result of the game in the Issue Winners section. If you win, a congratulations button will appear. When the results of each period are announced, the hash ID is published at the same time. You can copy the hash ID in the bottom right corner and click the public chain search in the right corner to find it. The hash ID is generated from a cryptographic algorithm and randomly generated characteristics that are unique. After the end of the match, you can view the results of the game in the game list section. Next, you can play the hash mark 6 lottery, which is based on a hash identifier, which is the transaction number of a crypto coin when it is transferred on the blockchain. Here you have to bet with 6 random numbers. The hash ID in the blockchain appears randomly and no one can manipulate the hash ID. When betting on football, a tie is possible when the result of goals is the same in both teams. Let's summarize all of the above and once again quickly go through all the features of application. On the main page you will see announcements of upcoming events and top winners with the percentage of winning bets and the average bet amount. You will also find the football betting section with the starting handicap. In the hash games section you will find 2 games and you can try out your luck. In the last section called My, you can go to manage your account, find the list of sports and games, the referral system and your team details. You can check the game history and football handicap results in the list of sports. Also, you can go to Agent Setup, check account ID or level. In order to make the application as convenient as possible for use, you can go to the language change section and select the appropriate one. Hash Soccer Club is a sports game earning app that promises you huge winnings. I want to remind you that this video is not investment advice and you should do your own research before making any financial decisions. If you're interested in this project, you can get acquainted with it personally by clicking on the link in the description under this video. If this video was useful for you, support it with a like and share your opinion about HASH.SC in the comments. Thank you for watching and goodbye.